Good afternoon, children. In the last class, we had studied urbanization in India. Today, we are going to study urbanization in Brazil, page number 48 and 49. Children, we can see a table on page number 49. It shows the growth of share of urban population in total population of Brazil. You have to draw a line graph from this table and examine the graph carefully and answer the following questions. Some of the questions are given here. After drawing the graph, you have to observe that carefully, then answer the following questions. First question, what is the interval of the data? Children, the interval of the data is 10 years. Next question, in which period did urbanization occur rapidly? Urbanization occurred rapidly in the period of 1960 to 1970. Third question, write 5 sentences analyzing the graph. After observing the graph, you have to write 5 sentences in your own words. So we can write in this way, the graph shows the percentage of urbanization in Brazil from 1960 to 2020. The interval of the data is 10 years and it clearly shows a rapid urbanization in Brazil. The highest urbanization is seen between 1960 to 1970, when urbanization grew from 47.1% to 56.8%, a growth of 9.7%. And urbanization occurred slowly during the decade from 2000 to 2010. It is a growth of 3.1%. Okay, in your own words you can write this. Now, what you have to do, you have to solve this in a graph paper and paste in your notebook or file it properly. It is an internal assessment. Okay. Next, geographical explanation. Brazil is one of the few developing countries which is highly urbanized. Today, children, about 86% of Brazil population lives in urban area. Due to economical growth of Brazil, urbanization also increasing in Brazil. Definition of urban is not very clear in Brazil because in Brazil, rapid urbanization is happening mainly in the south and southeast. Because the reason are climate here is mild and humid. Here plenty of water available. The land here is very fertile. Apart from all this, natural minerals are available here, transport facilities and other amenities are available here. So, urban population increasing here, south and southeast part of Brazil. Most urban population concentrated in south and southeast region. So, the government is promoting Go West policy. The reason behind that is which will reduce pressure in few areas where population is concentrated and will reduce regional imbalance in the country. This was the purpose behind that. Next one is given, study the chloropleth map of Brazil showing the state-wide urban population of Brazil and answer the following questions. Page number 50, figure 7.6. So children, with the help of the index we can solve it. Which state or region in Brazil is the most urbanized? The dark shade shows most urbanized states or region in Brazil. So, most urbanized state or region in Brazil are, one is Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Goiás, Espírito Santo and Porto-Manas. These are highly populated states in Brazil. The area which is shown in a dark color. Okay. Next question, which state or region is the least urbanized? Light shade shows the least urbanized region. The states of Pará, Maranhão and Piauí in the northern part of Brazil is least urbanized. Okay. Now, let us come to geographical explanation. Children, we can understand from the map, urbanization has occurred more in the coastal states than the states in the interior of the country. Population is more in the south and southeast part of Brazil, while population is less in Amazon basin and Brazilian highlands. Therefore, urbanization is also less in this region. but Manas is a port on the confluences of river Negro and Amazon. So urbanization has occurred here. Okay. Children, here we came to the end of the lesson. I hope you understood the lesson. Next classes we will practice some graph reading. Complete all the assignments based on this lesson. Okay.